All right, guys. The former Vice President of Nigeria, Osinbajo, has exposed Nigerian government in a very shocking video that was posted by Symphone TV on Thursday, September 11, 2025. Osinbajo said, UK court said leaving a case in the hands of Nigerian court would be a catastrophic. You can now see the reason why Nnamdi Kanu is suffering in the Nigerian judiciary hand. You understand? These are people who are supposed to uphold the law. These are people who are supposed to be, how do I say, where the poor man will come, they will lean on their shoulder. But these are the same people who are pushing them away to the highest bidder. It's very, very unfortunate. Nigerian judiciary today is no longer trusted. They have lost their taste, their value, everything, because they are playing the script of Nigerian politicians, waiting then they tell them to do, now they go do. Before they go redeem their image, not be here. People will want to go to Amadioha or Gun Shrine, go look for justice instead of coming to the courts. Because you when still come, now you go use your hair carry them based on say if the matter dey for the people hand, talking about the executives. Are we still talking about what happened in 2023 presidential election? It was a big shame. I don't know how many of you watched the NBA conference, that happened in Enugu, southeast, few weeks ago. The way people were talking about Nigerian judiciary, the way they are now indicting even the guests who came to speak, connect everything to the Nigerian government. When I know some of those people, once you just talk anything about them, they will come for you. The presidency, instead of them to learn, they are abusing or asking to arrest those people who spoke against them in that conference. So guys, at a book launch held by Symphone TV on Thursday, September 11, 2025, Osinbajo shared his reflection and highlighted structural weakness. He stated, "I have 3 children. 2 were expected to become lawyers, but none of them pursued the law. I think it is because we burden them with excessive reading and too many books, which discourage them from practicing law." Osinbajo lamented the slow and insufficient legal process in Nigeria. One major challenge over the years has been the inability to ensure that cases, particularly civil ones, move swiftly through the courts. Criminal cases face their own unique issues. Recalling a testimony from a former Chief Justice of Nigeria, he mentioned a UK court ruling during the IPOH and NNPPC case. The former Chief Justice stated that resolving a civil case in Nigeria could take 20 to 30 years. The English Court of Appeal concluded that leaving such a case in Nigerian's court could be catastrophic. He described this ruling as a very sad reflection on the administration of justice in our country, but noted that the problems are feasible. Consider the endless adjournments, preliminary objections are raised on nearly every time, including jurisdiction. Standard phrases are repeated. Interlocutory appeals prolong the processes and case drag on endless. In such situation, justice is no longer about access. It becomes about trying to leave the system at all. So if you can remember now that Nnamdi Kanu has been in this case with the Nigerian government for over 10 years now. You understand? Over 10 years. Nnamdi Kanu has been in this case up to now. This man never know him fate. See what happened in Finland the other day. How many months that case took the Finland government to resolve? How many months? But here, the government is still dragging this case up to now. 10 years, speaking when they born for 10 years now. You don't finish primary school. Oh. The Nigerian government is still here. We don't know what they are doing. Every now and then, adjournment. I don't understand though. And so then the adjourn case. Well, I'm dropping it here, guys. Thank God this is coming out from them. What's your take on this? Share this so that Nigerians go understand wetin dey happen. Share this video, make Nigerians they understand wetin dey happen. Thank you and bye for now.